going on guys, it's Rev, back again with another unboxing. This time it is a companion to my S20 Ultra, the Galaxy Buds Plus, the latest truly wireless earphone from Samsung. So the Galaxy Bud was an amazing earbud with a lot of features which was a good value for its price. Now with the new Galaxy Buds Plus, unfortunately it's gone up in price at $149. However, if you're a big fan of the first generation of Galaxy Buds, you're gonna love all the upgrades they have packed in the Galaxy Buds Plus. And also, I'm going to compare this to the super popular Airpods Pro, which I've been using since it came out. Although the Airpods Pro is $100 more, I just feel with the improvement that Samsung has made with the new Galaxy Buds Plus, it just makes more sense to compare this side by side. Going over the box, it's a beautiful packaging from Samsung. So we have the Galaxy Buds Plus in black. They also come in white color, however we don't get the cloud blue here in Malaysia, which is unfortunate. At the back, we have all the improvements they have made. Probably the biggest one is the battery life. It is now 11 hours of playtime in a single charge, which is almost twice as much battery than the last Galaxy Buds. And maybe a more important improvement for some is a better call quality on this. And also, a feature that I'm really excited to test out is the audio pass-through which we get on the Airpods Pro. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it's a simple unboxing. We have our black Galaxy Buds Plus here. Box of accessories. Inside we have the USB Type A to Type C charging cable. Bear in mind that it doesn't come with a charging plug. Next we have some extra ear tips and wing tips. Underneath the cover we have a box for the manuals and warranty card. Looking over the design, if you have the original buds, these are pretty much identical. The Galaxy Buds Plus comes in a more glossy finish case compared to the matte finish on the original buds. I must say that I prefer the matte finish, however this looks just fine. The build quality on the Galaxy Buds Plus case feels more premium, with a better built hinges compared to the original buds. Looking closely at the buds, the finish of it follows the glossy finish of the case. Comparing it to the Airpods Pro case, it is a little bit thicker, a little longer, but size-wise, it's still comfortable to fit it into your pocket. I really like that the Galaxy Buds Plus charges with USB Type-C compared to using Lightning on Apple's. And of course, both of these have wireless charging capability. Looking closely to the buds, it is quite large, although it's not as large as some other competitions, but if you compare it to the AirPods Pro, the Galaxy Buds is slightly bigger. However, the AirPods Pro do have that stem, whereas the Galaxy Buds has a cleaner look. Putting them on ear, you can see that the Galaxy Buds Plus sits almost flush into your ear compared to the AirPods Pro with its protruding stem. The Galaxy Buds Plus use a silicone tips just like the AirPods Pro, but they also comes with these wing tips that will give you more secure fit in your ear. So after using the Galaxy Buds for a week, in terms of long-term comfort, I find that the AirPods Pro is more comfortable, and that is due to the design. Just like most in-ear earbuds, the Galaxy Buds Plus has a plastic driver piece that goes all into your ear, which makes it a little bit less comfortable after a few hours. And also you get a little bit of pressure from these wing tips which you don't get with the AirPods Pro. And that is because the AirPods Pro has a cleverly designed venting feature that equalizes the pressure inside your ear. That really adds a lot on the comfort for long time use. And talking about battery life, this is where the new Galaxy Buds Plus are really impressive. Again, the Buds Plus themselves is rated for 11 hours of music playback on a single charge. With the cases, the Galaxy Buds Plus give you a total of 22 hours compared to over 24 hours on the AirPods Pro. Now Apple makes it really easy to pair with your iPhone. But Samsung has done a similar thing, although I find that the initial pairing of the Galaxy Buds Plus is a bit of hit and miss. However, to my surprise, after its initial pairing is done, Pairing of the Galaxy Buds Plus is slightly faster than the Airpods Pro. Now that we have paired the Galaxy Buds Plus, this is how the software looks like. As you can see, now you can see the battery life of the case and the buds, which was not available with the original buds. The best part about the software is that it's also available on iOS, which means you can pair it with your iPhone, whereas the Airpods Pro, although you can connect with your Android, you don't get the customizations and options. You can still change your settings, but you don't get the flexibility of using the Samsung wearable app. Now, active noise cancellation is one of the biggest features of the Airpods Pro, and it works really great. Unfortunately, it's not available on the Galaxy Buds Plus, which is a big letdown for me and for anyone who's waiting for this. However, it is an in-ear and they seal off pretty good, which is give you a passive noise cancellation. It's not the same level as the Airpods Pro, but it's there. The Galaxy Buds Plus comes with a software feature that enables audio pass-through like the Airpods Pro transparency mode. It has 3 levels of ambient sound options that you can choose. However, I find none of these options can come close to the more natural sounding ambient noise on the Airpods Pro. It's almost like it's amplifying all the surrounding noise, which is a bit annoying because you can even hear the teeniest noise. One of the big differences between the Airpods Pro and the Galaxy Buds Plus is the controls. With the Airpods Pro, you can press down on the stem that gives you a little click to indicate the different commands. Now with the Galaxy Buds Plus, it's still using the touch control, although it's more responsive than the previous Galaxy Buds. I must say that using touch controls, you are still prone to accidental touches, which happens to me a couple of times, which is annoying, but I think my favorite is still the physical controls on the Airpods Pro. Before I move on to other features, let's talk about sound quality. Okay, the Galaxy Buds Plus now comes with a dual driver system, so out of the box, the sound quality has improved a lot from the previous Galaxy Buds. It definitely has more bass, which is nice. It's still lacking on the high frequency, but the good thing is, you can always tweak with the equalizer on the software to your liking. The question is, how does it compare to the Airpods Pro? Well, out of the box, the Airpods Pro has a better sound quality overall, with a deeper bass and a good mids and highs. However, to my surprise, after tweaking some settings on the Galaxy Buds Plus, the sound quality on both earbuds is almost similar, sometimes even better on the Galaxy Buds Plus. Well, this goes to show that by having a dedicated software for customization goes a long way. However, you can still change the equalizer on the Airpods Pro using Spotify. So out of the box, I will give it to the Airpods Pro. But after doing some software tweaking with the Galaxy Buds Plus, I would say that both sounds equally good. So overall, I'm really impressed with the sound quality of the Galaxy Buds Plus. And also it comes with some other extra features like tap to launch Spotify, and also something that is lacking with the Airpods Pro is that you can adjust volume by double tapping on the edge of the buds. But again, it's a hit and miss, but it's still good that they have this. And for you gamers out there, you can now activate the gaming mode, which in theory will minimize the audio delay, which will give somewhat of an advantage for gamers. So that's it for my overview and comparisons of the Galaxy Buds Plus and the Airpods Pro. So which one is for you? Well, it depends on your need. If you're into comfort for long-term use with a very good sound quality out of the box, and you want that active noise cancellation, the Airpods Pro is for you. However, you do need to fork out another $100 to get this. On the other hand, if you care about sound quality as well as some ability to tweak the settings, and you want that long battery life so that you don't have to charge regularly during your music sessions, the Galaxy Buds Plus is for you. Minus the comfort and the active noise cancellation, of course. But with its price, I still think it's a better deal. So what do you guys think? Which one will you go for? Let me know in the comment section below. As usual, if you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos in this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.